Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to learn how to change negative interrogative sentences. Okay, in single sentence. So in previous classes we have learned how to form, how to change interrogative sentences. So today we are going to learn negative and interrogative sentences and its changes. Okay, so I have given here some examples of affirmative sentences. We have to change this into negative and interrogative sentences. So let me tell you the formula to form negative and interrogative sentence. So students, first we have to apply the formula. Okay, so in negative interrogative sentences, first we have to write the be verb. Okay, and after be verb, whatever tense it may be, okay, according to tense we have to use be verb. If it is simple present tense, then we use be verb do and does, and if it is simple past tense, we use be verb did. Okay, so here I have given simple present and simple past sentences. So first we have to write the be verb, after be verb subject, and after subject we have to add not. Okay, after not the main verb is written, and after main verb there will be a object, and after object there will be question mark. Okay, we have to change in one sentence both negative and interrogative. So let's get started. So here first question is we go to school every day. So this is simple present tense. Okay, so in simple present tense do or does is used. Okay, according to the subject. So here we go to school. Here we is subject and go is verb and rest is the object. Okay, so we is plural, so we will have to use do. Okay, do, and after do we and not is added. Okay, do we not go to school every day? And at the end of the sentence, don't forget to put question mark. Okay, so our next question is my daughter loves chocolates. So it is also simple present tense. Okay, so here my daughter is third person singular number, and in the main verb s is added. Okay, so the be verb does will come. Okay, be verb does will come here. When we have written here does, then the s from the main verb will be removed. Okay, does my daughter not love, s will be removed from the main verb. Okay, love chocolate, and question mark. Our next question is they walk all together. So this sentence is simple past tense because the verb is written in second form. Okay, so the be verb we use in simple past tense is did. Okay, did they not, while changing, okay, negative interrogative sentence. So the second form of the main verb will be changed into first form. Did they not work all together? And at the end of the sentence, question mark. Our next question is we help everyone. This is also simple past tense. Okay, so the way we have changed this sentence, we have to change this in same way this question also. Okay, so this is simple past tense. Did we not help every one? And question is I am a doctor. It is simple present tense. Okay. So here the be verb am will come before the subject. Am I not a doctor? And question mark. Am I not a doctor? Our next question is she feels good. This is simple present tense. Okay. Because in the main verb s is added. Feels. She feels good. So here does will come before the subject. Does she not? And when we have written does, then the s from the main verb will be removed in negative and interrogative sentence. Okay. Does she not feel good? And question mark. Does he not feel good? Our next question is my son makes his bed. This is also simple present tense. Okay. My son is third person singular number. So we have to write does my son not, and the s from main verb will be removed in negative interrogative sentence. Does my son not make his bed? And question mark. Our next question is she sang a rock music. This sentence is simple past tense because the main verb is written in second form. Okay. Sing, sang, sung. Sang is second form. So the be verb did will come here. Did she, and not is added. Did she not sing a rock music? And question mark. Okay. Our next question is you watch TV a lot. This is also simple past tense. Okay, because the verb is written in second form. Watch. Okay. So the be verb did will come here. Did you not, and the main verb will be written in first form. Did you not watch TV a lot? And question mark. Our next question is I slept on time. This is also simple past tense because the main verb is written in second form. While changing into negative and interrogative sentence, the main verb will be changed into first form. Okay. Did I not sleep on time? And question mark. So students, by applying the formula, the method, you can easily change the sentence into negative and interrogative sentences. Okay students, for today's video lesson only this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.